Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing of what iluvsarahii, aka Karen, sent me. Shout out to her. Thank you so much for this box of goodies. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox what she sent me. And this box is pretty big. Really packed it. Oh my god. Okay, so within the box there's a bag. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Oh, this girl did not. So she sent me this BH Cosmetics Lavender Prince 12 color eyeshadow palette. It's a little something like that. And let's see here. Nice little palette. Little neon colors going on. Ooh, so excited. Ooh, I like the little packaging too from the inside. It has little butterflies. You can see all the butterflies throughout the box. Then she sent me the lip injection kit from Too Faced. Also, it's instant long-term plumper with a flush of color. Oh, these are so cute. This one just kind of like fell off from the package. The original, the light, medium, tan, and deep. And these are all the colors. It's pretty nice colors. Maybe I'll use it on Valentine's. I'm gonna dig into the bag she sent. She sent a ton. Woo. She sent the Makeup Shack facial cleansing wipes. There's 25 in the pack. Hangover pillow cream, ultra nourishing night cream. I'll show that off actually. Fourth Ray avocado superfood nourishing mask, healthier skin look. I've heard of this brand. You can see that one right there. So excited. Loving Tan Deluxe Applicator Mitt. I remember she reviewed this mitt and she loved it. So I know this one's one of her faves. Oh my god. Pixie by Petra Endless Shade Stick. This was really cute. Like a little nude color. Star Lash Bombshell. Ooh, lashes. I really needed lashes, to be honest. And the Pixie Sheer Cheek Gel. I'm assuming this is like a blush. Long wear, oil free. Very nice. And this is another endless stick. It's in a nudie color. 2. Makeup Forever. Oh my gosh. Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. This one is there. I'm assuming it's primer. I'm pretty sure it's primer. Let's see. It is primer. Excited. Another Lily lashes. These are the light mink And this is in, crap, diamonds. More of my goodies, And then this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I really love this mascara. She also sent me the NYX Professional Makeup, and these are the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Creams. You can kind of see that going right there. My lighting's pretty bad. And she sent me the Loving Tan 2-Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in the skin tone dark. So you go from medium to dark, depending on how much you put. It's pretty cool. It's one of her faves. Goes with the mitt, the Loving Tan mitt. Oh my god, so many. She also sent me the Glittery Quad by Pixie, as well as another one, but these are different colors. This one looks more like the typical holiday tone, which are the golds, the silvers, the mixture of looks like a maroon color, a little purple, and this one's like more of a blue, like an icy, sort of came in clutch for Christmas. And then she also sent me eyeshadow primer base by Sigma. I've never tried Sigma, and I really think that this is going to be a great opportunity to try something new. New year, who's this? She also sent me the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. And this is... my battery's low. This is a limited edition. Interesting. I was planning on buying this brush. So she sent me the Too Faced Mr. Perfect Foundation Brush, and it's a cute little brush. I'm sure you guys have seen this at Sephora and Ulta. And it's just so cute. I really like the bow tie. That's the only reason why I would buy it. Let's see. She also sent me the Charlotte's Secret Lash Tricks, and she sent me more lashes. And I'll show you guys the packaging actually. Why am I putting it away? You can't really tell. It's more of like a natural eyelash. She also sent me more Makeup Forever Step 1. This is the base hydrating primer. And she also sent me the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder. So here are these two. Still digging. She also sent me the Too Faced eyeshadows, and these are the cute little typical Christmas colors, which you can see the silvers, the golds, the mattes, and all that good stuff. I can skip this one's like a Paul Mitchell color correcting treatment. She sent me more Sigma. This is a liquid lipstick, and it's in a nude color, which I will definitely use. And then this is a Pixie Endless Shade Stick, which is also in a nude color. It has glitter too. Garnier Skin Active Water Rose 24-Hour Moisture Gel. This has rose water, and it says here that the lasting water, fresh hydration, and a clean finish. So it's a vegan formula, and it looks pretty interesting. I'm sure I'll use it. Like pulling stuff everywhere. Is that a card? Pixie Pearl Brightening Oil. Cute little package. Has little glitter. It's very cute. And she sent me brushes, which are pretty interesting because they have the little rocks on the handles. Let's see take them out. And these are by Be Bella Cosmetics. Let's pull one out. This one has kind of like a, like little rocks. Pull it out. It's a pretty cute handle. Can't wait till I use these. This is Bare Minerals Pureness Gel Cleanser. And what does this do? Full comforting coconut ingredients. This is basically a makeup cleanser. It cleanses your face. Removes makeup and impurities, leaving skin feeling comforted and calm. For sensitive skin too. Should I show you guys? Keep forgetting to show. It's another Paul Mitchell thingy. This is Glow Recipe Pineapple C Brightening Serum. I believe I saw this in one of her favorites video, if I'm not mistaken. It's this little pineapple. It's cute. Fancy schmancy. And she sent me more Lily lashes. These are the So Extra Mykonos. And these are so cute. Can't see because of the reflection. Like red. And this is the Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist. This one's really cute. And she sent me translucent powder from Too Faced. I'm just like in awe. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Whipped Body Balm. It's really cool. Exciting stuff. She also, ay Dios. She also sent me more stuff for Pixie. These are all liquid fairy lights. This is eyeshadow glossy lip plumper, and this is another glossy lip plumper. And then, as you can see, this is all of it. These are ColourPop falsies, and this is in the style Honey. These are cute, very simple. She also gave me Sigma liquid lipstick, and this is in Belladonna. Shade Belladonna. Now the Neutrogena product, Bright Boost Resurfacing Micro Polish. Awakens 100% of dull skin cells for visibility, refreshed, instantly brighter skin. Interesting little skincare product right there. Then she sent me Tarte Mane Eater, and this is the mascara. It's really cute stuff. Then she sent me Perlice Watermelon Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. And she sent me a Pixie Glowy Powder. Radiance Powder. Powder. Just keep pulling stuff. Buxom Power Plump. And this is, doesn't say what shade. It's a lip balm, but I believe it's in a nude color. I'm not gonna open it yet. And she sent me more falsies, ColourPop falsies. And she sent me Kylie Skincare. I have the whole little set right here. More lashes by ColourPop. This one is in Dame. These are pretty cute ones. They're not too exaggerating. Be Bella Cosmetics, and these are the lashes that she sent me too. These are cute and naughty. And more stuff. These are the last few products. She sent me, ooh, Lights, Kathleen Lights' nail polish. I was actually looking into buying nail polish. She came in clutch. And these are all the shades, which are pretty cute. And then we have an eyeshadow base primer, again by Sigma. These are going to be interesting products. I've never used Sigma. And then I have Milk Makeup, and this is blush, I believe. Yes. And I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a nude color. Don't know what brand because it doesn't say. Everlasting Kiss, it says. That's what the shade is called. Maybe Valentine's Day. Okay. Thank you for unboxing with me. I will catch you on the flip side.